I let you down. Screwed up the poker app intros I was doing. The last one was out of order. I skipped one. I'm a failure. I'm so sorry, please. So I'm just going to skip all the way to the end to do my favorite one. So let's stay right there. Hold on. Charmeleon, Wartortle, Mewtwo, Tentacruel, Aerodactyl, Ammonite, Slowpoke, Pidgeot, Arbok. That's all, folks. Gotta catch 'em all. Yeah. Gotta catch 'em all. Yeah. Okay, today's episode's Pokemon flavor, blah, blah, blah. Listen, Hidden Fates is an insane set. So I'm recording 2 videos for this in the same day. You're going to see these days apart, so breaking the fourth wall. I snagged a couple of these in addition to the box, the full box that I opened. I got 1 from Target, and then I got 2 from my buddy Ian over at Pure Joy Toys, who has Funko Pops and Pokemon stuff. So let's open some more of this. The pulls in the last one are insane. Hopefully I remember to link it down in the description. That way you can check it out. So I'm still hunting for some shinies, and I think I'm going to open Hidden Fates for a while, because these cards are freaking beautiful. There's your code card. There's the Mew. If you didn't see the last video, we'll go over the promo. And the pin. I asked for help in the last video, and I haven't gotten any responses yet because I haven't posted the other video. But if you have a way that you like to display your decorative pins, let me know. Because even if denim jackets were in, because that's how I used to sport my old pins, it's never cool enough for that in Texas, so I can't do that. Hidden Fates, look at this beautiful pack that won't... Listen, I trust it's going to focus when we get to the main attraction. I was trying to record without the fan. Oh my gosh. There we go. I was trying to record without the fan, but it got way too hot, and I get way too excited for these packs, so we're going to have to deal with the fact that there is some sort of fan thing going on my pictures. 1, 2, 3, flip over the energy. It's dark. Are you ready? We got ourselves a Brock script. Misty's Determination, Pokemon Center Lady, Ekans looking off into the distance. We got a Voltorb, Geodude, Pikachu, Clefairy, and look at that! Our first pack is a full art shiny. We got ourselves Naganadel GX, and the rare is Mew. Woo-hoo, look at this shiny! I was about to spoil something from the last pack. All I got to say is no dupes. I haven't gotten any dupes, so hopefully I didn't just curse myself. This, I know Ian wanted to know which pin collections I picked up from him. This is the one from Target, okay? So I snagged this one from Target. I don't know why I can't open some of these packs. There's still pack debris in my mouth. Oh, I hope I don't die. There is your code card. Sorry, that's disgusting. It tastes worse than normal pack debris. 1, 2, 3, flip over the energy. It's electric, not lightning. All right, let's see what we got. We got ourselves Giovanni's Exile, Kova's Trap, Brock's Pewter City Gym, Geodude, Slowpoke, Clefairy, Jigglypuff, Caterpie. The reverse is Scyther. It's really cool Scyther art. I looked at this in the last video. And the rare. Oh, we got another of the bird trio. Okay, whoops. Spoilers. I got this in the last video, but you've already seen it if you're a loyal Kwikpanik fan. So, we got another one of the bird trio. This is good art. I love this art. I can't wait for the stained glass one to come out. And this is great for one pin set. Target. Dude, nice. Oh, minus. Okay. Open, says me. All right. So, we got ourselves a nice little code card. Hope you enjoy that. 1, 2, 3, flip over the energy. It's grass, not leaf. Let me know in the comment section what your best pull has been out of Hidden Fates. I'm curious, because I still don't know all the shinies in this set, and I kind of like to get all 84 of them. Is that correct? Cubone, Geodude, the reverse. Ooh, shiny Magnezone? I didn't even know this is in the set. That's so cool. And the rare is a Golem Ken Sugimori art. All right, we're making some progress. I don't think I could have been upset if I'd walked into Target, only been able to purchase one and gotten these. So that's the first pin set. That's incredibly good. Okay, Ian, these are from your shop. I know Ian's watching. I know he is. So prepare yourself. Either I'm going to have to come back down there and get more. And this is how I marked them, just for the record. He and I talked about this. I like kind of bent the top of it. I'm superstitious when I open packs, so if I get them from multiple places, I'm like, which is the place I'm going back to, and which is the place that I'm never going back to, depending on my pulls. It's real bad. I'm super superstitious. What was the last one? The last one was Mew. So if you guys haven't seen it yet, there is the Mewtwo art. It's really cool. I thought it... What does the art remind me of? Who is it? Some person I don't know. The art reminds me of something... I can't quite put my finger on it. There's the code card. Hope you enjoy that. And here's the pin. This pin looks like the Mew pin is pretty good, but this Mewtwo one's amazing because he's got like his shadow ball going on. Whew. Okay, we got 3 packs. This is for all of Pure Joy Toys Legacy. Hope you enjoys that. So there are some shinies that I have not quite seen yet. So the biggest thing for me while I'm opening Hidden Fates is learning about the pack set. I know some people who go on YouTube and open their packs like to spoil the whole thing, but I want my reaction to be genuine as possible. 1, 2, 3, flip over the energy. It's psychic, not ghost, not poison. Psychic! So I'm trying to go spoiler free. So Koga's Trap, Lieutenant Surge Saraji, Misty's Determination, Ekans. Oh, look at that Eevee. Pikachu. Some people are like, Quick, why do you care so much about the commons? Some of this art is really good. Our reverse is the Pokemon Center lady. And the rare. Ooh. Wigglytuff GX. I didn't even know this is an option. Alright, so we start off with the GX. So far, so good. So far, so good. I got another GX in the last one. I was like, oh, I didn't know you were here. Excuse me. Alright, Bird Trio Pack. What you got for me? You got a Charizard? Tell me you got a Charizard, baby. Here is your code. Enjoy. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's water, not ice. That's the first water energy I've gotten out of this set. We got ourselves Giovanni's Exile, Koga's Trap, Lieutenant Surge Strategy. There's not very many different commons. Oh my Lanta. Pikachu, the reverse is Metapod. And the rare is Jesse and James. It's a cool looking card. I was about to spoil some things, but that's a cool looking card. I'm so bad at this. Now that I've told you that there's a spoiler that I was about to say, you can probably already tell what happened. What? Kwikpanik, what are you doing with your channel? Oh, okay. Just showed you that I got a Charmeleon. Nope. All of the surprise is gone. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's electric. Not lightning. It's electric. We got ourselves a Magmar. Charmeleon. Ekans. Caterpie. Paris. Char! Clefairy. The reverse is Clefairy. And the rare is Brock's Determination. Okay. This first one was kind of booty. Like, no offense, Wigglytuff, but Target's winning. But we have one more from Pure Joy. So, if you are in San Antonio and you want to get some, you can probably already tell that there's some good stuff left in the other one. Because this one's not going so well. You know what this reminds me of? So that's the next one. Are they here? Where's the things I wanted to show you? Oh, 1 second. So I picked up a full art set of Gym Heroes that I want to open on the channel here pretty soon. So those of you who are asking for vintage content, those are coming. It reminded me because all these cards are like gym-centric, gym leader-centric. And I really like that series. There's another pick at the Mew promo. I need to keep everything organized. My goodness. Mew pin, get out. All right. 3 more packs. Wish me luck, guys. Let's go for a Charizard, Rayquaza, or Lucario, okay? Are you keeping those in your mind? One of those. My hands are so raw from opening packs all day. My life is so hard. All right. What you doing, Coughing? What you hiding? We got ourselves a nice little code card for you. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's dark. You'll never know, though, because it's gone. We got ourselves a Pokemon Center lady. Metapod, Miss G, Coughing, Clefairy, Staryu, Jigglypuff. The reverse is behind this card. It's Shiny Charmander. Cool. We got a Shiny Charmander. And the rare is a Golem. Hey, hey, hey. Look at that. He looks cute. Wait. Charmander and Charizard got shinies. Did Charmeleon? More importantly, did Bulbasaur? I think I know the answer to that, and I'm not going to be happy about it. Not going to be happy at all. All right. Next pack. Let's get a full art shiny. We can do it. I believe in us. And by us, I mean me. And by me, I mean us. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's grass. Don't you dare say leaf. We got Charmeleon, a Brock Script, Farfetch'd, an Eevee, Clefairy, Caterpie, Ekans, Paris. Oh, it's Sabrina's Suggestion. And the rare. Bill's Analysis. Okay, all right. That means this last one is going to be fire. So before we get into it, I'd just like to say thank you for all your continued support. Leave a like on the video if you enjoy this kind of content. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. I bring Funko Pop and Pokemon content all the time. So, you should subscribe, leave a like on the video, watch me on Twitch. Ooh, Twitch would be really cool because I'm streaming Friday through Monday and upload videos here on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 4 p.m. Central Time and Sundays at 12 p.m. Central Time. I already showed off that card. There's your code. Last pack. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's electric. It's electric. Okay. Graveler. Farfetch'd. Broxgrit. Clefairy. Caterpie. Ekans. Paris. Is this the next one? Charmander? Reverse is Koga's Trap. And the rare? Butterfree. That one was booty. Sorry, Ian, you lost to Target. That is all I've got for today. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Later.